and welcome to the Two Brick Girls. Today we're building the Mandalorian's N-1 Starfighter set. This set contains 412 pieces and comes with 4 characters: the Mandalorian, Peli Motto, Grogu, and a BD Droid. Enjoy the build! We really enjoyed building this N-1 Starfighter. Compared to the first N-1 Starfighters that were released, this one's my favorite. We really like that they included Grogu, since he is our favorite character from the Mandalorian series. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time on the Two Brick Girls. Bye!